Hello and welcome to this question number 3 on blueprint design and delivery in the Managing Successful Programs Practitioner Practice Paper Review audios. We're going to look at question 3, part A, which is worth 2 marks. As you can see, we only have 2 questions here anyway. And note also that because there is no bold information or extra information within the question information box, the 2 questions are purely about managing successful programs application. So the first statement in question 1 looks at the relationship between the blueprint and the program plan. Now remember, the whole blueprint is the how we're going to develop the solution to arrive at the vision that the program is out to deliver. And the program plan looks at how we're going to go and deliver that blueprint, right? So there is a direct relationship between the 2 of them, and they're all working in tandem as we build the blueprint and update the program plan along with them, along with project dossiers and other such mechanisms and documents that we might need to have in place. Certainly those 3 at this point. So let's have a look at the statements here to see which one is more relevant to the relationship. So the blueprint is created after the program plan has been produced. Well, this is rather back to front because the plan really needs to understand what the blueprint is to help the plan get ahead. And the blueprint can be refined as we go through the program plan development as well. There is no relationship. Well, we've worked out there certainly is a relationship, so answer B is also incorrect. C, the program plan is produced after the blueprint is developed. Well, that's not really the best way of doing it. As we said, they really are developed together. And works between them, because obviously we need to look at that and addressing the business case at the same time. So really to understand what the business case is about, what we're delivering from a vision point of view, and how do we do that through the blueprint, and therefore how do we orchestrate the delivery of the blueprint, which is the program plan. So you would actually work them together, not one before the other. Finally, C, the program plan identifies how the blueprint capability will be delivered. Well, that's exactly what we said at the very beginning. One part of it we identified to realize that there is a relationship between them. So answer D is the correct answer. Okay, which document should be updated if the process and associated operating costs identified in the blueprint are changed? Well, anything to do with the costs certainly has an impact on the overall project and program costs. Which will impact, of course, on the business side of things, because that's really where we need to monitor it. So, anything that looks at the business side of things is going to be the right document. And of course, you look at answer A, the first thing we're going to notice is the business case. However, let's understand why the others are not relevant. B, well, first of all, the program brief is put together in initiating a program, so identifying a program, and is the trigger for defining a program, and will be used. The information from that will be used to build some of the rest of the documents that we might need through there. So that is not going to be of any use, because the program brief then disappears in some respects. The risk management strategy is certainly not the document. This provides the governance and describes and defines how we will handle risk throughout the program. I'll also feed that down to the projects. So as much as we get governance in place, it's nothing to do with the operating costs. And finally, the vision statement itself is about the end state of the program. So once we arrive at that point, then any change of processes do not require to change the vision, because it is actually the end state. It only impacts on the blueprint. So therefore, back to answer A, and that is the correct answer, which hopefully you've picked as well. Now, of course, if there are any concerns or not sure about that, hopefully this feedback rationale will help you to be a bit more certain. If you still have some concerns, read through the manual on the blueprint and its relationship with various documents like the business case, etc., and the program plan. And do use the portal to contact a tutor if you wish for further clarification or help in any particular subject matter, like this one as well. Otherwise, thank you.